Hello there and welcome to this short little video about IT Near You, the IT support and services company which pretty much offers IT support all over the Greater Wellington region. We support Upper Hutt, Lower Hutt, we also do the Kapiti Coast, Waikanae and Porirua, as well as doing Porirua. So if you're looking for IT support in any of those areas, we're listed pretty much everywhere. We're part of the Hutt Valley New Zealand Chamber of Commerce. We're on Toodaloo, which is the premium business directory. We're on Zenba, Enroll Business, Star of Service, Nextdoor, Neighbourly, Zipleaf, Google Blog. We're everywhere, and we got a heck of a reputation for getting the job done. So if you're looking for some IT support company that'll actually fix your problem, not some random geek or nerd, if you're just all over it with your IT hassles and you're just tired of struggling and you want to take a dynamite to your computer, then please give IT Near You a call, because we are the true IT business solutions provider in the Greater Wellington region. So give us a call, 0800 420042. We'll send someone who's patiently going to listen to your problem and hopefully find a practical, cost-effective, efficient resolution. Thank you so much for watching, and get a hold of us if you have an IT problem.